I'm open to receiving a windfall of money. Money is always available to me at all times. Money literally shows up out of thin air in my reality all the time. Money flows to me so easily, so effortlessly. I am a magnet for money. I receive unexpected money all the time. Because money is energy. And I am energy. So the minute I think about money, it immediately shows up in my life. Money comes to me in miraculous ways. I don't even need to know how this money is going to show up. I just know that it will. Because money always shows up when I desire it. I'm open to receiving large sums of money. The money I desire is here for me now. I am worthy of abundance. I'm worthy of huge amounts of money. I trust that the universe always provides. I am a powerful creator of wealth. I manifest money instantly. Because I am a master manifester. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I'm so thankful for the financial blessings in my life. I welcome a windfall of money into my life now. I am surrounded by abundance. And I'm open to receiving money from all sources.